I'm going to show you how to fold a paper airplane that looks like this. Looks kind of like a fighter jet. Okay? First thing that you will do is you will fold your paper the long way, like this. Get it folded. And then after you fold it, you're going to tear it along that fold. So I like to fold it both directions. And after I fold it both directions, I crease it so it tears easier. You could use a pair of scissors if you like. But since I don't have scissors with me, it's easier just to tear it. Now after you tear it into two pieces like this, you're going to take one of the sides and you're going to fold it long ways like this. And once you get it folded, just set it off to the side. You'll use that in a minute. Next, you're going to take the other end of the plane and you're going to fold it in half, also like this. Okay, now you've got your two pieces both folded like this. Now, what you're going to do is fold this piece in half again, like this. And once you do that, you've got the airplane ready to start building. Now what you need to do is in the middle of this airplane, you need to tear the center portion right along here, and you want to tear it exactly as wide as this is. So it's a little tricky, but crease it really well. And then once you get it creased, you should be able to get a tear started. Like that. And tear it across. When you do the tear it out evenly to both sides so that it is the same width as this. So I'm going to tear out right here. Like that. And on this side I will tear out the same distance. If I look at it, I see that I've got it. Okay. Now, this is going to be the wing portion of the airplane. That will be the front portion. So you take the piece that you did earlier, you push it through so that it lines up like this. Okay. Now when you get to that point, so far that's the airplane that you have right there. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this front portion of the plane and you're going to fold it back until it comes into contact with that straight line on the wing portion and crease that. Okay. And here's where we're at so far. The next thing that you're going to do with your airplane is, you see this notch that is put back here? This isn't fastened on, so what you'll do is, let's fold this so it's nice. You will line this up on the back of your plane. Get it nice and even. And once you get it nice and even back there, you will tear in halfway through the thickness of the wing, like this, and then you will tear in, keeping it even, you will tear in about an inch, like this. You'll do that on both sides. And what this will do is hold your wing securely in place. And just leave it folded like this for now. We will later make it look like the jet exhaust on the plane. We'll do that later. Once you get the plane to this stage, and actually I'm going to fold these the opposite way underneath, and just leave them folded underneath like that. Once you get the plane to this stage, the next step is to fold the wing sections back. And if you look at the wing section, it was just a fold that looks like that. So you'll fold this part from here back to approximately right there. And it's not critical that it's exactly like this, but however you do that side, make the other side look as close to it as you can. And get the two sides so they look alike. Okay. And then you just fold over again like that. So here we go. We will fold it over again to split the difference halfway. And you'll do that on the other side. And once you do this, this wing section is now going to be secure and solid, and it won't flop around like it did before. Then with the front of the airplane, you will need to fold the front over another third of the way down, approximately like right there. And what this will do is put a little extra weight at the front of the plane. And then you'll fold in just like you're making a regular paper airplane. Let me fold this so it's nice and even. Then you will just fold this into the center fold like so. And you'll do the same thing on the other side. Like that. So, with the paper clip in the front, it's got just about the right weight, and when you throw it, it flies really well, looks like a jet fighter, and it's a pretty cool airplane. There you are. Have fun with it.